Data scientists spend 60% of their time cleaning data. These 7 Excel techniques automate the most common cleaning tasks. Trim strips extra spaces while clean removes non-printable characters. Together, they fix the invisible formatting issues that break VLOOKUP matches and cause phantom duplicates. Control+H with wildcard characters lets you batch rename, remove patterns, or standardize formats across thousands of cells. The asterisk and question mark wildcards handle most pattern matching needs. The Remove Duplicates feature on the Data tab instantly deduplicates by any combination of columns. Flash Fill reformats names, dates, and codes by learning from 1 or 2 examples you type. I take a deliberately messy data set, inconsistent dates, extra spaces, duplicates, mixed case, and clean it using all 7 techniques. The before and after transformation is dramatic. Clean data is the foundation of every good analysis. Download the practice file in the description and subscribe for more data skills.